It's nice to see nature claiming that land back. A couple of years ago that was just mud because of the landslide. Even though this area is stunning, because I used to live half a mile that way and this used to be my training route, I always find this part of this walk tedious. So only until I get 50 yards that way, but as far as I'm concerned, this walk starts. But even though this is I find this tedious, I love this area. Now this is where the walk starts as far as I'm concerned. Going up there. But I'll be coming back that way tomorrow. It's warm today, sweating pints. It's not because of a heavy pack, because it only weighs about £20. Just close. Yuck. There is one view I never tire of. There's a house, an old derelict farmhouse just over there, just below the dip there. It must have been lovely living there. I don't know if you can hear that. The waterfall. I'm going to be camping below the waterfall tonight, I think. And judging by the sound and now the amount of water that's there, it's not that much of a waterfall this time. This one I swam in last time, or swam. I had a Timotei moment in. I hope there's about the same amount of water as last time. Looks as though it might be. Yeah, it's about the same as last time. There is less water than last time. The water's up to my about here. No. Yeah, maybe here last time. Right, I'm going to find a campsite and come back. Well, this is where I'd originally thought of going. It's amazing how the memory plays tricks on you. I thought that you could pitch a small tent here, and obviously you can't. But I only want my bivvy bag, and I can't even do that. I dumped the Bergen, so it's easier to scout around for a place to camp. Doesn't look as though it's going to be easy though. There's a brilliant pool there to swim in. Maybe the other side. Might camp the other side. Can't find anywhere to pitch. If I'd brought a protective sheet or a sleep mat or my other bivvy bag, I would have stepped on this rock. Well, I found my campsite. It's at the top of the waterfall on that rock. So I'll literally be sleeping there. With the river there and the waterfall here. I wanted to get below the waterfall and beside the other river, but it just ain't happening.
Oh my God, that's cold! Oh, that's brilliant. Cold, brilliant.
That's cold. if anyone is thinking of doing some wild swimming whilst wild camping, then get yourself one of these. Absolutely brilliant. The size of that. Dried, dressed, towels even dry, just because they dry really quick, not because I tried to dry it. So I'm gonna go to the top of the waterfall and set up camp, get a brew on. I suppose I could do it down here, but might as well go up to camp. What do you reckon? Camp right here? Yeah, I'm gonna camp here. Looks smooth. I shouldn't get a puncture in my sleep mat. I hope not. There's no point setting camp up yet. It's going to take me 2 minutes. But we'll get a brew on. That's super ice, some chicken chunks, cashew nuts, peanuts, raisins and some curry powder. I'm almost certain you can't see this on camera, but just there, I think it's there on the camera, there's a small village. That's where I used to live. Anyone local watching, that is Waterfall. Just met some lovely gentlemen, spoke to them for about 10 minutes. You can just about see him there-ish. One of them seems a bit, he's not feeling at his best, I don't think. So I'm hoping he makes it back without any issues. watching them 2 old guys, make sure they go the right way. It's not a waterfall you can swim in, but it'd be good in the winter when it's in flood. It's an old sheepfold. Most people, when they go camping, they keep, or they put their cans in the river to keep cool. They keep them in the river to stop melting. Right, 9 o'clock, I may as well set up camp now. No one else is going to turn up. Yeah, shut up. You finished. Some sleep in there. Morning, you lot. You can see what's that. It was an okay night's sleep. I was woken once by the moon, believe it or not. And I'm glad I did, so I set the GoPro to do a time lapse. The moon was shining through that tree over there. I'll show you that time lapse now. Well, getting dressed on, I'm going to put breakfast on. My bug net came in handy a lot because I pitched so close to the river. It's just midges everywhere. All packed up, ready to go. No trace, not even flattened grass. Okay, I still got to get my tripod. But the camera's going on that and I'm carrying it. And obviously I'm carrying that. Don't you just love these sheep tracks that follow right on the edge? Especially when you can see that they've gone straight down. The only trouble with doing things like this for the benefit of the camera is you've got to come back and get the camera.
It's starting to rain now. You're going to get wet.
So just there, that's where I've come from. And now I can't see it on the camera. Just there is the path I'm heading to. I was looking at this through the binoculars yesterday and I worked out that it was a 1, but you can imagine what it looked like even through the binoculars, because I'm about just over a kilometre away. The 5 has burst, so it's either 15th birthday or 51st. I would imagine the 15th. So I've got to go back to the path now. So I came up here especially to show you guys that. The things I do. I love that valley. This whole area. Sometimes I miss living here. Do you know where I am yet? This place is quite famous. Made more famous recently by YOLO, in particular that chimney there. It's actually the old furnaces where they used to burn the witches. That's an Andy Wardle fact, that is. Now it's raining. I don't know if you remember yesterday, it's probably about 10 minutes ago for you, I said that this path is quite tedious and this part is where the walk starts for me. Well, that was here and I went up there. So I'll come back from that way. This is the point where I start wondering if the van's still there. Well, it's been a good trip. I'll see you on the next one.